Welcome back to Crypto Today, everything decentralized. Today we're going to be talking about Pundix mainstream markets are a go. Shortly after receiving the UAE TRA certification, the XPOS is the first blockchain-powered point-of-sale device to receive FCC CE certifications. This is huge because this now means that Pundix can target heavily US, European, and South Korean markets on top of the United Arab Emirates. Now, keep in mind that the FCC CE certifications are found in virtually all of our electronics devices and can easily be overlooked. And like I always say, for now, for the time being, we should focus more on accomplishments rather than price action, because the price will follow as more markets are acquired and as the XPOS device deployment begins rolling out in a more aggressively manner. And just as Sekchia mentioned in the article, he says blockchain has become, well, he actually says blockchain powered devices have become part of our world. And I like to say is blockchain in general has become part of our world, but very specifically through the XPOS device. With the certifications, it brings it on a more physical level. Now, the certification lets us know that the electronic devices are safe to use. For example, it tells us that it won't emit like harmful radiation and things like that. And then there's more testing that goes into the device before it can actually receive the certifications, but I won't be going into those. But yeah, I mean, pretty much this is great news. This means, again, we're now able to go live in mainstream markets. And I think that moving forward, this is definitely going to be something, a very specific point in time once Pundix received this certifications. Now, I don't know if you guys are aware, but Whole Foods Market has also recently begun accepting Bitcoin, and even though it's not related to the NPXS token specifically, it's still great for the whole ecosystem as a whole, because I believe that now as they're accepting more and now as Pundix received the certifications, there could even maybe potentially be some sort of a partnership later down the road. But again, this is nothing that has been said or mentioned or confirmed, just basically me speculating that with this certifications, they're able now to go, hey, you're already selling BTC, so let me show you my product and how it can benefit every user and even the store as well. But again, that pretty much does it for this video, and I will be leaving a link to the article in the descriptions below in case you want to check a little bit more into that and just read a little bit deeper into it. But I pretty much covered the basics like always, and I will see you guys in the next one.